This phone stand is super compact. It's really cool because this is very customizable. You can see it allows you both up top where the phone attaches, you can pivot there. There's also a second pivot point you can see down here at the base. There's a lot of different customization for the right fit. There's also right here a 3.3-inch extension where this will actually come out further to give you more room and just even greater customization. This little piece on the bottom of the stand here flips out. This is where your phone can sit. It's really cool because that actually has a silicone piece where the phone articulates, so it's gonna keep your phone safe. It's also gonna make sure that it doesn't, fall out and move around too much. So you could see it once you get your phone in here, you're able to really kind of customize how far this is from you, what angle you've got it at. It can almost even just sit down like this on here. So really neat. It also has a nice little rubberized silicone area right here where the phone is going to touch as well. And again, that kind of helps too, gives it some non-slip capability as well. Now, as far as the build quality, this is pretty good build quality. It's all plastic, but it's pretty lightweight because of that, but it also feels pretty durable. This does not feel cheap. It doesn't feel like a plastic that's going to break. So for portability, being able to throw this in a bag, take it on a trip with you, or even just throughout the house, taking this from one room to the next, it's very easy to do so. I'm really happy with this. I'm honestly thinking of picking up another one of these because they're just so convenient. So it comes in this black color. There's also a white color as well if that fits your setup a little bit better. But everything just, folds down perfectly flat here. See, barely takes up any room. The nice thing too on the bottom here is that you can see there's two silicone grips here for more non-slip functionality. So when you do actually have this down on the tabletop, it's really not going to move around on you even if you bump it. So other than just resting your phone on this, it's really great for media consumption. While I was playing music, I can kind of have all my controls up here while I'm working on the computer and things like that. You can also have it in vertical or in landscape mode like this. So it's really cool. You're able to, watch movies and YouTube, Netflix, all those kind of things in this orientation. The other cool thing is then on the bottom here, there is an opening. When you even have it vertical, you can still fit a charging cable in there to charge your device. So yeah, really awesome. This will work great for some smaller tablets even as well, which is really versatile, really great value, I think. So there is going to be an affiliate link for this down there in the comments and description. So check that out if you want to pick one of these up yourself. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.